So all of you can see my screen now. Okay, so the link I have provided you in the chat box, you all have to click on that link. That link is about the adobe.com, the Adobe platform. So Adobe is not a new name for anyone. Guys, don't annotate. Just a minute. Okay. So Adobe is not a new name for anyone, right? You all have heard about the Adobe, Adobe PDFs, Adobe Pictures, Adobe Videos. So Adobe is an American multinational computer software company, and it basically works with the Photoshop things. Okay, so as soon as you click on the link, you will be come to this page. Now here, what you have to do, you have to register yourself. So here on the right side, you have a option of sign in. So first of all, you need to sign in. Okay. So let me just click on this sign in. As I click on this sign in option, it will navigate me to the portal where I can sign in with my email address. So as I already have my account, that's why I don't need to put it again and again. So my ID is coming over here, but you all have to put your email ID here. ऑलराइट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, सबसे पहले आपको साइन इन पे क्लिक करना है. जैसे ही आप साइन इन पे क्लिक करोगे आपका ये रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला पोर्टल ओपन होगा. देन यू हैव टू पुट योर ईमेल आईडी इन द स्पेस बार. देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस कंटिन्यू. As soon as you click on this continue, it will navigate you to the password portal. तो यहाँ पर आपको अपना पासवर्ड क्रिएट करना है. ओके, अगेन पासवर्ड आपको कैसे क्रिएट करना है. यू ऑल नो कि हम जब भी कोई पासवर्ड क्रिएट करते हैं देयर आर मेनी रूल्स दैट वन कैपिटल लेटर शुड बी देयर, सम स्मॉल लेटर शुड बी देयर, सम स्पेशल कैरेक्टर शुड बी देयर, द लेंथ शुड बी. तो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑल द रूल्स. ओके, एंड पासवर्ड इज completely of your choice. So you have to put your password here. Then you have to click on continue. As you click on continue, what is there now? Just a minute, it's taking some time. See, it's the welcome screen. So as I've logged in with my email ID, that's why it is showing my name here. Welcome back Bhavna. अभी ये वेलकम बैक क्यों आया? बिकॉज मेरा अकाउंट आज न्यू ओपन नहीं हुआ है, मेरा अकाउंट कुछ दिन पहले का ही है. तो मैंने कई बार अपना अकाउंट ओपन किया है, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज वेलकमिंग मी बैक. बट अगर आप न्यू स्टूडेंट हो, आप न्यू पोर्टल ओपन कर रहे हो, तो आपका आएगा वेलकम एंड योर नेम. Alright, so he is welcoming me back because I have already my account and I have used it many times. Okay, so now when you have come over here on the main platform, after that you can see there is a 9-point grade on the right side upper side here. Can you see that? 9 dots grid. Mostly सारी sites पे ऐसा होता है, but अभी हम Adobe की बात कर रहे हैं, तो अभी हम यहाँ पर check कर रहे हैं. So here is a 9 dots grid. You have to click on this grid when we come here. So it will provide you many apps and services that Adobe has, like Creative Cloud, Document Cloud, Experience Cloud, Spark, Lightroom, Portfolio, Behance, Stock, Fonts, Adobe Sign, Substance Source, and more. So for now, which platform are we going to use? We are going to use Spark. So when you click on this 9-dot grid, you all have to click on this Spark. All right, so just click on this Spark. As soon as you click on the Spark, you will get this platform here. Okay, now Spark का जो main platform है वो आपको क्या show करता है? See, there are the things that tell your story with Spark. You can use such a lot of things like portfolios, Instagram posts, presentations, slideshows, web pages, collage, form your templates. So we are going to learn many things here within 3 days. All right. Beneath this, you will get your recent projects. Whatever you have worked on the Spark, your all projects will come here. Like मैंने कोई माई पोस्ट बनाया था, that is appearing here. मैंने कोई बिगनर स्टोरी बनाया था, that is appearing here. My post. Whatever work I have done on the Spark, all things will come here. So from here, you can choose any of your previous work. You can edit them, you can reuse them, you can share them, you can show them to anyone you want to show. By clicking on this view all projects, you can see all of your projects. Okay, so these are the previous objects. We are not going to talk about this. We are going to make our own project today. Okay, so for that, what you all need to do, you can see there are the options of libraries, brands, projects, home, and a plus sign over there. Is it visible to all of you? So you all have to click on this plus sign here. As you click on this plus sign, you will get a list. For what? For creating your templates, flyers, web pages, videos, branded graphics, such a things. So today we are going to learn about something flyer. All right. So when you click on this plus sign, you all have to click on the flyer option here. Just click on flyer. When you click on flyer, see, एक चीज बताना भूल गई मैं. That is very interesting thing. Can you see something green lines coming over the screen? This is the best quality of Adobe. जब भी हम किसी भी प्लेस पे नेविगेट करते हैं, किसी भी लिंक पे नेविगेट करते हैं, इट शोज अस सच अ नाइस कोटेशंस. तो जब भी आपकी प्रोसेसिंग हो रही है ना, यू विल नॉट गेट बोर्ड. आप वो कोटेशंस रीड आउट कर सकते हो. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज रियली 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 अ गुड थिंग. जितनी देर में हम प्रोसेसिंग होकर नेक्स्ट पेज पे नेविगेट करते हैं, वी कैन रीड आउट दोस कोटेशंस एंड वी कैन लर्न दोस थिंग्स. And those are very general quotations. That is not anything about the studies and gyan. This is all about aap padho, aapko peace milega. Such a nice quotes there. So you all can read out them. Now we have come here on the portal. So from moving ahead, I would like to have a doubt session so that if anyone has doubt till now, we can learn that. So just a minute. So we are going to start with template. A template is a pre-created document that already has some formattings. Means हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक डिजाइन होता है जिसमें कि ऑलरेडी सब कुछ डिजाइंड है, एक ऑलरेडी फॉर्मेटिंग क्रिएट किया हुआ है. एवरीथिंग इज सेट देयर. बैकग्राउंड भी है, टेक्स्ट भी है, आइकन्स भी हैं, लोगोज भी हैं, पिक्चर्स भी हैं. वी हैव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन दैट template, but we need to modify that. We need to edit that according to our need. Rather than starting from scratch to format a document, you can use the formatting of a template to save yourself a lot of time. होता है. अभी अगर मैं इनिशियल से स्टार्ट करूंगी, सो आई हैव टू सेट अ बैकग्राउंड, देन आई हैव टू सेट अ बॉर्डर कलर, देन आई हैव टू सेट सम टेक्स्ट देयर, सम टाइमिंग्स देयर, एवरीथिंग. But if I need to use a template, I don't need to use each and everything from the scratch. I can modify that. How? Let's see. So first of all, rather than starting from the initial design, I'm going to explain the template modifications. So here is the option of template. First option is there of template. So just click on the template and you will get some templates here on the left side. Now from here, I'm going to use one of the template. Any template you want to use, you can. So should I take this? As soon as you click on the template, you have to only one click. You don't have to double tap. You have to only one click. Okay. So this screen will appear. Now this is saying create from this template. Use this template for your project. So we are creating from this template. So just click on the create with this template. grabbing your template. It's taking some time. Wait for a second. See, हमने जो टेम्पलेट लिया था वो हमारा आ गया पोर्टल पे. Now, what we need to do? Now we need to edit this according to our need. So let's start. तो हमें इसको किसके फ्लायर के रूप में रेडी करना है? We have to think first. किसी भी डिजाइनिंग से पहले we need to think first that what are we going to do. जब तक हमारे माइंड में कोई थॉट नहीं होगा, हमारे पास कोई प्री डिजाइन नहीं होगा, हाउ कैन बी मॉडिफाई एनीथिंग? अदरवाइज तो ये फ्लायर इज नॉट अ बैड ना, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज एनी बास्केटबॉल प्ले ऑफ. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू? आई एम हियर टू एक्सप्लेन यू समथिंग अबाउट बूट कैम्प. So I'm going to modify this flyer as my bootcamp flyer. All right. So how can I do that? You just have to click on that particular part that you have to edit. So first of all, the first text is here. I'm going to edit this text. So for that, what I need to do, just click on this text. As you will click on this text, it will provide you a editation of this text. So there was a Armstead Community College, but no, I don't want this Armstead Community College. I just want that it's a summer boot camp, right? So I've edited my text and I'm writing summer boot camp here and click on done. See, your text is edited here. Now what is there? It's a summer boot camp. Now, basketball playoffs. No, this is not my text. I need to edit this. So again, I'm going to edit text. Click here on the edit text. You can click here also and here also. You have two options. Here on the pencil side, this is also for edit text. And here this oval shaped button, this is also to edit text. Okay, so click on this edit. Now, I'm not organizing a basketball playoff. What I'm organizing? I'm organizing tech smart sessions. Am I right? So just put tech smart sessions here. Woohoo! Looking good? Yes. Now, is today January 25? No. So I need to edit this also. I'm editing this. Today is May 31st. And what is the time? I should take 11:30 or I should take 11 because the session time was 11. So 11 a.m. Now click on done. See, looking something related. Now, is this icon related? It's a tiger or lion icon, but is it related to our tech smart sessions? No. So I need to change it also, right? So for this, I'm going to add some icons. So on the left side, you can see there is an option of icons, or I should take some photos. So I'm taking a photo. You have many options here like text, photos, icons, design assets, backgrounds, logos. You can use anything that you want to use in your post or in your flyer. Okay, so today I'm going to take a photo as it's a summer bootcamp from Bharat AI. So I'm going to upload a photo for Bharat AI. So just click on this upload photo and your main option will get open. And here I have a picture of Bharat AI Labs. So I can take this as my logo. And now you can drag it where you want to put it. So it's the right place for a logo, and you can resize it by dragging the corners as we do always, and just drag it here, drag it over the previous logo. Is it looking nice now? Is it looking relatable? That we are going to organize a summer boot camp Tech Smart sessions on 31st May. Time is 11 a.m. and who is organizing it? Bharat AI Labs. Correct? Now, what is left on our flyer? There is one more thing to enter the competition. So I need to edit this text also. So I'm going to edit once again. I need to cancel all the text here. And what should I write there? I'm writing to join, download Zoom. Is it fine? Because we are having our sessions on Zoom. So I'm writing a text that to join, download Zoom. Done. See, we have this text here. Now, what is irrelatable in this flyer? Can anyone tell me? This picture, right? I have everything that is relatable: summer bootcamp, Tech Smart sessions, and Bharat AI Labs logo, timing, dates, and the platform on which we are going to organize this. But this picture is not relatable to Tech Smart sessions. This is looking like for football. Correct. So I need to change it also. Right? Now, what I need to do for this? So again, go to the photo section on left side. So here you have many options, like you can upload photo if you have in your laptop or in your system. You can find free photos here that are completely free और आप अपने flyer में अपने post में उसको easily use कर सकते हो. You have libraries, Lightroom. These are some other options. For now, we don't have to use all these options. So I'm going to find free photos so that all of you can do this, right? So I'm going to find free photos. I'm clicking there. Now I want to find technology related some photos. So I'm typing here technology. As I click on technology, see, I got some free photos that are relatable to technology. Am I right? Now these photos can be related to our topic. So should I take one from these photos? So let's take this. I'm taking this. You can take according to your choice. No issue in that. Oh, sorry. I forgot to delete the previous one. So I need to delete it first, right? So you have a delete option here. When you click on the particular thing, you will get a option of delete. Okay, let me redo the thing so that you can understand it well. I forgot to tell you. See, this is the picture. When you click on the picture, you will get a grid here by which you can replace image, you can duplicate it, you can layer order. It means if you have more than one image, you will take this layer grid by the help of this button, and you have a delete option. So I need to delete this picture because this is not related to my topic. That's why I'm just deleting it with the help of this button. I'm clicking delete and it will get deleted. Right? And I have taken this picture because this is related to my topic. And I can drag it to make it big. Clear? Can you see the post now? Is it looking good? And is it looking to relatable to our boot camp? Yes. तो आपके पास जितने भी पोस्ट आते हैं, आपके बर्थडे कार्ड्स आते हैं, यू कैन डिजाइन योर ओन बर्थडे कार्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पोस्ट. और बहुत ही क्रिएटिविटी के साथ, बहुत सारे एनिमेशंस यूज करने के बाद, बहुत सारे कलर्स यूज करने के बाद, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टेक्स्ट यूज करने के बाद, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आइकन्स यूज करने के बाद, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड यूज करने के बाद, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लोगोज, फोटोज यूज करने के बाद, यू कैन क्रिएट सच अ गुड इन्विटेशन फॉर योर बर्थडे कार्ड फॉर एनी फंक्शन दैट you are going to host in your house. Correct? So this is the basic thing in which we can edit or modify a template that we already have in our flyers and just modify that with the help of this Adobe Spark post. Clear? Okay. So if you have done your flyer, if you have done your designing, now how can we share it to our friends or families or anywhere we want to share? So for that, on the right side upper corner, can you see there is an option of share? So you have to click on this share. Excuse me. When you click on the share, you will get the thing of publish. So you have to click on this publish. When you click on the publish, you will get a thing where there is an option to share Facebook, to share Twitter, to share Classroom, Teams, email. So if you want to share on these platforms, you can share directly, but I would suggest you should copy the link. So here is the option of link, correct? So click on the link. When you will click on the link, it will show you a space where the link will be created for your flyer. So if I'm clicking on this link, it will take some time. So don't worry if it is taking time, because it's a little bit slow process. See, it's creating the link. Now there is a link of your post. So now from here, you can copy your link. And when you've copied your link, you can post it anywhere you want to post. आप अपने व्हाट्सएप में चैट में जाके पोस्ट कर सकते हो, आप अपने फेसबुक के पेज पे जाके पोस्ट कर सकते हो. Anywhere you want to post your page, your flyer, your post, you can copy the link from here and then you can publish your post. I'm repeating the steps. If you want to share your post, you have to click on the share, then publish. When you click on the publish, it will navigate you to the share portal. And from here, you have to click on the link. When you click on the link, you will get a link here and the option of copy. So you can copy your link from here. Then you can paste it anywhere you want to paste it. Okay.